Welcome back guys. Today I'll be changing a surface mount socket outlet. Do remember to like and subscribe to my channel. You can click the link in the top right corner. This video is going to show you how I change an exposed socket outlet. As usual, a disclaimer, all electrical work can cause death if mishandled, so do engage a professional instead. Hope my video have helped you. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye.